Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The reward of the prayer performed by a man in congregation is 25 times greater than that of the prayer performed by him in his house or a market, because when he performs ablution well, then proceeds to a mosque, and nothing but only prayer has brought him out of the house, his status is raised by 1 degree, and his one sin is forgiven in lieu of every step he takes. When he has performed prayer, the angels continue to pray for him as long as he stays at the place where he has performed the prayer. They say, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, show mercy to him, and whosoever among you keeps on waiting for a prayer is counted as to be engaged in the prayer." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 647.